Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today before that, this is the Casio model W-218H. So I'll have it on the screen shortly. Okay, there it is, W-218H, and I have unboxing video about this a few weeks ago, so I'll have the URL listed on the comment section, so you can refer it from there. So what we are going to do today, this is the original strap, which is black rubber, okay, and the case of the watch is green, in military green. I think it is called military green, and it doesn't match with the strap. So what I have here is a NATO strap, or which I've ordered from China. It costs about $5, and complete with the adapter and also the tool for the spring bar. Okay, so this is the green one, and it should match the case here. Don't really match, it's not really, I mean the color is not really the same if you look at it carefully, but at least it is better than the black one. Okay, so I'll be back with you shortly. Just fix this with the new NATO strap. Ooh, okay, so I have the original strap removed, the rubber strap. So I have the case here, the empty case without the strap, and this is the NATO strap, which ordered from China. It's cost about $5, but the quality is decent enough. It's really good quality. I will not complain about it. Okay, and then it comes with this adapter. Okay, there's a free tool over here, free tool, and then there are two adapters and another two spring bar inside there. One spring bar, two adapters. So we are going to fix this with this one with the adapter. So I'll be back with you shortly. So okay, I have installed the adapter. So this is the adapter. It's unfortunately it is black in color, not green, but the strap itself is green. So we are going to fix it in. So I'll be back with you shortly. So there is it. This is the, I don't know whether this is, they call it as a NATO strap, but this is the first time that I see a strap with double. We have two buckle here. Sorry, we have two. Okay, you have only one buckle here, but you have another one over here and here. So let's try and put it on my wrist. Okay, but before that, have a wrist check. This is my Seiko 5 SNKK 31K1 with a NATO strap. Okay, let's have a look. I don't know whether I have installed it correctly, but because I'm not really familiar with this kind of strap, with this kind of NATO strap over here. But it's look good on the wrists, and even though they are not matching. Okay, this is slightly different kind of green than this one, and this adapter should be green too, but it's not green. But it look cool. And it's look good on the wrist. So that's all, guys. So if you like my video, please subscribe, please like and subscribe, and I will be back with more videos on CASIO watch or Seiko watch and straps and bracelet. Thank you very much. Bye. Ooh.